Hello everyone, ako si Jean, ang inyong yanong maestra nga nagtudlo sa usa ka pribadong eskwelahan dinhi sa Davao City. So the other day, nagpost ko og reel about Tagalog na national language with matching question mark. Okay, so let's talk about it. The story behind that post was, ambot lang po, di pa paprapugalit sa akong mind. Nangutan ako sa akong mga anak kung unsa ang ilahang national language. Karon ang isa, ang tubag, Tagalog. Ang isa, ang tubag, Cebuano. So, ang inahan, ng Filipino teacher, nakuratan nga nang wala sila kabalo sa ilahang national language. Okay, so, pag-usapan natin yan. Let's talk about it. Ano ba talaga ang ating national language o ang ating pambansang wika? So, ang ating pambansang wika ay Filipino. Yes, Filipino is our national language. Pero, confusing lang kay naamangoy language po nga Tagalog. Okay? Tagalog is also a language. Let's talk about that in a while. So, Filipino is our national language, and it was established to unify the diverse linguistic communities na nasa Pilipinas, and also to promote national identity. So, muna na ito ang national language for Filipino. Identity na ito. Okay? And Tagalog, again, is also a language. And diha gagikan ang Filipino na language. Okay? You might be wondering, hindi pala siya dialect, ang Tagalog. Dili siya dialect. It's a language. It has its own vocabulary, grammar, and structure. And according to tourism.gov.ph, isa ang Tagalog sa major languages spoken in the Philippines. So, mo ang 8 major languages according to tourism.gov.ph. Okay? So, Tagalog, Cebuano, Bicol, Waray, Kapampangan, Ilocano, Ilonggo, o Pangasinense. Tama ba akong pronounce? Please correct my pronunciation. Thank you so much. But yes, mo na atong chika today. And I hope to see you again sa akong next vlog, and we'll be talking about other things outside teaching. And I'm very excited to share it with you. Okay? Bye for now. See ya!